Hi, this is Uwe Whitcamp from UNB Customs. We specialize in tri-conversions and sidecars. We've been doing this for about 20 years. This is a Hannigan Heritage Edition installed on an Ultra Classic Harley Davidson. This is our more popular one that we have. One of the reasons is the simple access to the sidecar for your passengers. Simply flip up the windshield, open the side door, give ground clearance entry for your passenger. Also comes with a large capacity trunk, and they're available for most of your larger touring bikes. As you can see, it comes with a running light on the side. It's available with chrome bumpers and even a chrome grab rail. Another thing that makes this sidecar popular is Hannigan's electric camber control, which allows you to, on the fly, change the camber of the bike depending on the weight that you have in the sidecar. These sidecars typically take 4 to 6 weeks to get manufactured at the factory. It takes us a few days to do the custom installation on your bike. Price point for these generally run between $9,000 and $11,000 depending on the options that you select. Again, they're available for most any of your larger touring bikes, and they'll be color matched to your bike. Again, thanks for stopping to see us at UNB Customs.